This is what we got tonight. It's going in. May not look like it, but it's pretty smooth. Hi, and welcome back. If you hear cats, they're in here tonight. It's supposed to get pretty cold outside, and it is already late, so last time they were out this late, dog tried to get them, and they jumped up in my truck, so we kind of keep them in here at this time until we find them a home. They're about to knock stuff off everywhere. Anyways, tonight we're gonna tackle that hole. Thinking about trimming out the metal in the Bronco a little bit more and trimming the piece up a little bit. And I think I'm gonna start welding from the bend I made, and if I need to, try to hammer it out to fit closer to the front and closer to the back. That's my thinking on it. If I can get the bend where it needs to be, then I can adjust the other to make it fit. Anyways, sorry about that. Cat jumped up on my leg. But they're pretty wild right now. They've been cooped up all day. So if you hear them, sorry, but we'll jump over there and I'll kind of explain better. See what I'm saying? Anyways, explain better what I'm gonna do. Okay, there's that piece we made. Thinking if I can get this bend in here right, then we can adjust this by hammering on it and this by hammering on it. But I think what we need to do is kind of make an outline, a rough outline through here with a Sharpie, so I know exactly what I can cut off here and cut off up here. Because I think there's a little bit of hole we can fill in, but I think I can get that with weld. Anyways, and come straight across. And then we gotta take a little bit off here and some off here, I believe, to get it to fit right. But I think it's close enough that we can work with it. So I'm gonna get Sharpie, start marking, and start either using this or Dremel to cut the this metal out a little bit more, and probably get my belt sander to take a little bit off the edges here to make it fit down better. But I think we're close. Hopefully it'll look halfway decent. Anyways, I'll set y'all up on the ladder and we'll get to work. This is what we got tonight. It's going in. May not look like it, but it's pretty smooth. And it's actually staying in there, so I'm gonna hammer this down a little bit through here a little bit, make it more even, and tack up a little ways and start bending this back up. And hopefully, once there's I'm gonna go, I have to do something with this. I don't like how it looks, but I mean, it's there, it's holding, and there's a bend in it, so I'm happy. But hopefully with the lizard skin or something, won't be noticeable, and the console will be in this general area too. So, I mean, don't look that bad from a distance, but the closer you get, you can see the welding's not very good, but I think I can make it work. I'm gonna have to now. It's in there. I had to cut it out if I want to replace it, but it's gonna shape up nice, hopefully. Well, I think that'll do it for me this evening. It's pushing 2 o'clock, and I think I scared the cats. Oh, they're in their box over here. They come out when it's not noisy. But we'll continue on with that next time and continue welding up. Oh, okay, I got him too. Continue welding up and grinding back the welds and making sure we got good penetration. And I need to lift that piece up when we get closer to the front of the Bronco to get it level. And hope next time, since we took a lot of time cutting and trimming and just trying to get it where the bend sits nice, hopefully next time we can just start welding and continue putting beads down. I think I got my welder somewhat kind of figured out. Turned the speed adjustment up a little bit, and it seemed to put down a nice bead. It's like it sounded different and it looked different from the rest of them. But anyways, yeah, we'll work on that next time and get this section done, and then we'll start back over here looking at this again. Made it this far, thanks for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Gonna be over the Bronco. We didn't start Healy tonight. I got home extremely late, but contractors aren't working tomorrow, so I'll be home at a normal hour. So we'll pull the battery out of the Camaro, set it to charge for next time, and we'll turn the Healy over. Just make sure the engine's not seized yet. And with that being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Easier way to get a hold of me if you want to talk or anything is Facebook. I made a group. It's in the description below. But anyways, I'll see y'all next.